Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll tell you how to create a one-page business website using WordPress. Creating a one-page business website can be a crucial step in establishing an online presence and reaching a wider audience. Luckily, WordPress makes it easy to create a website. We'll take you through the step-by-step process of creating a one-page business website using WordPress. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced website builder, this guide will help you create a stunning website that showcases your design skills and attracts potential clients. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up WordPress. First, let's get WordPress set up on your domain. If you don't already have a domain, you can easily purchase one from a domain registrar. Next, you'll need to set up WordPress on your domain. This can be done through your web hosting provider. We recommend you consider Kinsta Hosting for your one-page business website. Kinsta Hosting is the perfect solution for setting up your WordPress website. Kinsta offers lightning-fast load times, unparalleled uptime, and expert support 24/7. Their infrastructure is built on the Google Cloud platform, providing you with the power and security you need to run your website smoothly. Additionally, Kinsta's managed hosting solution takes care of all the technical details, freeing you up to focus on your content and business. So, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hosting solution, look no further than Kinsta Hosting. To sign up for Kinsta Hosting, please check the description below for the sign up link. Step 2. Installing the Responsive Starter Template plugin. Now that WordPress is set up, let's install the Responsive Starter Template plugin. You can do this by going to the WordPress plugin repository and searching for Responsive Starter Template. Once you have found the plugin, click Install and activate it. Step 3. Importing a starter template. Now that the plugin is installed, let's import a starter template. To import a template, simply go to the Responsive Template section in your WordPress dashboard. Responsive Starter Template has a wide range of pre-designed templates, so take your time and pick one that best fits your needs. Now, go to the search bar and search for one-page business and select the one-page business template. Here you can preview the whole template. Next, click the Import button and wait for the template to import. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. The plugin will import all the template elements into your WordPress website, including the colors, layouts, fonts, and images. Once done, click on the Launch Site button to launch the website. And here's how you get your one-page business website ready in less than 5 minutes. Step 4. Customizing your website. Once the template has been imported, it's time to start customizing your website. Now, to customize the website, click on Edit with Elementor button at the top. This will take you to the editing section of the Elementor, where you can change the logo, add your own images, adjust the color scheme to match your brand. You can also add and edit your own pages and posts to showcase your services. With the Responsive Starter Template plugin, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's say I want to change this heading, the largest business expert, to one-page business. And for that, all I need to do is click on this heading. And this will open a panel on my left-hand side where I can change the title to one-page business. And it's done. Now, Let's say I want to change the text on this button, and for that again I'll click on this button, and this will again open a panel on my left hand side, and here I can change the text and it's done. Similarly, you can change all the sections in your website. Now let's say I want to change this picture over here, and for that I'll click on this picture and go to choose image, and now this will give me two options, either to upload files from my local drive or use the media library. So let's say I'm going ahead with this picture. So I'll click on that picture and click on insert media, and it's done. So once you have made all the changes, click on update button to update the changes you have made. And that's all for today. Happy editing! And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more such useful videos.